Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Crocoin. Take a look at the overall crypto market because we are pumping, guys. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Is Crocoin going to go to the moon? We're going to talk about that. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So first things first, we are on day 20 of proposing Crypto.com to market buyback and burn Crocoin with a percentage of quarterly profits, guys. I will not stop sending this message, CrowFam. I am going to keep doing this. All you got to do, follow me on Twitter, 333BlackC. Let's get this message to Chris Marzalek, and let's get this message to Crypto.com. Let's start this conversation, guys. If we can start this conversation, I think there is a chance that this actually happens. It will drive speculation to Crocoin, and it will probably pump the price, bring new users into the Cronos ecosystem. That's what we want. Also, I am doing my part here. I want to give back to the Crow fam. Get this post, it's just below that post, on my Twitter, 333BlackC, to 500 reposts by 723, and I will give away $100 worth of Crocoin, as well as I will burn $100 worth of Crocoin. All you got to do is follow me here and repost it. But let's take a look at the market right now, guys. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at $66,574. We did break above $67,000 for a very, very short amount of time, and well, guys, Bitcoin dominance trading at 54.11%. When we exclude stablecoins, we're basically sitting at 56.11%, making our way back up to that 57% level. I said for the previous videos when we were chopping around, I said, I think Bitcoin dominance is topped out. And I do believe that. And I said, until, there's a big until and there's a big but. The but is, but if Bitcoin decides to make that larger impulse wave to the upside or to the downside, that's when you're going to see dominance rally up back to the 57, 60% level. But especially my eyes are on if we can reach 72,000. If we reach 72,000, then we're probably going to see Bitcoin dominance rally up to 60%. We're seeing a lot of movement in these altcoins. I mean, Ethereum above 3,500, Solana 170, but Crocoin is doing pretty well. I like to see what's happening here. I've been talking about it for a while, guys. I know I sound like a broken record, but I said if we break below this 9-cent level, we probably are going to come straight down here to the 0.0830 level. And, well, it held as support. And I said this is probably going to be a very, very strong support level. If we see a break below that yellow line here, then I would say, okay, we're going to be going in for a much longer corrective bear move. And, well, support held up well, and we're bouncing off that. I think we're headed straight to this level here at about 10 cents, 0.0992. But that being said, I was saying I'm looking for a retest, a bounce off, a rejection, and then a breakthrough, a resumption through. But it looks like we're seeing that kind of happen below. I do think that if we come up here and test this, I think we break straight through it. So we're going to keep a very close eye on that. So what is going on with Bitcoin right now? Because Bitcoin is making some big moves. People are excited about Bitcoin. I love when Bitcoin is making big moves, and there's not really any big news stories behind it because usually that means that there's probably some big news stories coming that people are front running. So curious to see what the big news event is, if there is one. But that being said, I mean, look at this, guys, on the daily. Green dot on volume for Market Cipher. We're starting to see this come up to the upside. We're seeing money flow starting to come up, barely, but starting to. I do expect that we do see continuation here. I do think that if we get weekly candle closures above 65,000, which is happening, look at that, guys. 5 hours and 35 minutes. Pretty incredible. Oh, this is the daily. The daily's closing in 5 hours. But that being said, daily closures above 65,000. If we can get weekly closures above 65,000 as well, probably going to be headed to that $72,000 price level. Here's the weekly. The weekly is looking very, very good as well. Money flow is very green and thick. We're seeing kind of a trigger wave down here. This is what we like to call a trigger wave. This little tiny blue wave right here, kind of something like when you see this little tiny wave and you see it curving back up, it's usually a good longing opportunity. Not financial advice, but if you do want to open some longs, please go down below this video in the description box below. We have some fantastic leverage trading links, a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you do is click the link, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money, long and short. Blowfin has been kind of where my go-to has been. It's no KYC, and they have so many coins that you can actually trade where there's liquidity. But back to Bitcoin, guys. Things are looking good. We want to see these weekly candle closures above 64,500, but 65,000, I'll take that too. That's even better. But 64,500, 64K. If we get weekly candle closures of that, I'm expecting continuation to that 67 to 72,000. And when we get to 72,000, guys, the next step is going to be, okay, are we going to see continuation through this? Has the RSI cooled off enough to see a big move to the upside, breaking through this channel we've been trading in for over 4 months? My opinion, probably the answer will be yes. But that being said, guys, you got to be patient here. I do think that we're kind of leaning closer and closer to an altcoin season, which is pretty exciting to see, especially if we get that breakout above 72,000. We let Bitcoin cool off for a little bit, let dominance come down. You'll probably see some fireworks, especially when there's so many things, especially when you couple that with Ethereum spot ETF. It's looking pretty good. I also want to say, guys, if you want, follow me on Instagram at 333blackc. I said if I can reach 500 followers by this Sunday, I will give away $1,000. We're almost there. Only about 42 followers away. Go follow me there. I'll give away Crocoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever you want. But I want to give back to you guys. I love doing these giveaways. I like you guys support us, so I want to support you back. I love giving money away. But yeah, go follow me there. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be patient. I think that Crocoin is getting ready to make some very, very nice moves. Just got to be patient, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.